If your pergola feels shaky or loose, it's super important to fix that before things get worse or unsafe. So, first off, check all the bolts and fasteners around your pergola. Sometimes they just loosen up over time with wind and weather, you know? Grab a wrench and tighten everything up nice and snug. If the structure still feels wobbly, adding some extra bracing can really help. Think diagonal supports between beams to keep it stable. Also, look at the posts where the pergola meets the ground. If those are loose, you might need to secure them better with concrete or ground anchors. Wood can warp or shrink, so make sure none of the beams have shifted out of place. If you spot any cracked or rotting wood, swap it out right away because that weakens the whole thing. Don't forget to check the connections where the pergola attaches to your house or deck. Those need to be rock solid too. Keeping up with these little fixes will save you big headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a loose pergola structure is ignoring the problem until it gets bad, which can lead to expensive repairs or even collapse. Another slip-up is not using the right tools or hardware when tightening bolts. Cheap or rusty fasteners won't hold well, so invest in quality ones. Lastly, skipping regular inspections is a common issue. Pergolas need seasonal checks because weather changes affect stability. To fix these, always address looseness as soon as you notice it. Upgrade your fasteners to stainless steel or galvanized ones to resist rust, and set a reminder every few months to inspect your pergola's condition. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle projects like pergola repairs safely and efficiently. It also helps contractors connect with clients looking for reliable pros, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.